cannot wait to have a lot of friends over here and make some amazing memories.
Pretty much enjoying being a Westford student because they're giving us nice experience, balancing study life and fun life. So it's pretty nice.
And today is my first day as a Westfordian. As you can see, we're not in a classroom, we are in a bowling tournament. How cool is that? We are here with Westford community, enjoying and making new memories.
Well, of course, this has been a wonderful experience from Westford, and we thank Westford for all of this. Look at everyone playing and enjoying, and because of this, we can communicate and grow stronger. Thank you, Westford.